Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, hopefully. There we are, everybody. I'm 1 minute up front. How is everybody? Hello, Shola, how are you? Clara, are you happy, Clara? And I'm sorry, everybody, they are building their construction site in front of the office in here. So there's going to be noise, alright? Clara won yesterday. Shola, you want to... What was the trade yesterday, Shola? Shola, you want to buy, right? GBP USD? Is that correct, Shola? Yeah, I need to talk to the guys, but it's not their fault, right? I went 1 hour before. I went out to talk to them like this, and they said, "Oh, no, just joking." But they told me, we can make a 15-minute break or 30-minute break, but then we need to work. I said, alright, so fair enough, right? They have kids and families, and then they need to pay the bills. Shola, did you take the trade? Are you long, Shola, on GBP USD? And Clara was shorting GBP yesterday, right? I believe. Everybody, if this is your first time with us, please go to give me a second. Please go to Dukascopy YouTube webinar page. Alright, this is Dukascopy webinar page. Hello Julius, how are you? Clara, you won, right, yesterday? Happy? It was a winner. Are you happy, Clara? Everybody, this is for the beginners, that don't know Dukascopy yet and what is happening right now. You can go to Dukascopy webinar page and you click on playlist, everybody. And here you have Forex Trading Week Professional Trader Course 2023. This is me. Or if you don't have time, you go here, Forex Course 101 2022. Yeah, back in time we were talking about crypto too, but today not. And Forex Course 101 2021. Alright, everybody. Forex Course 101. This is prehistoric, Alright, it's the same course. No, I'm not an expert on crypto, for God's sakes. No, I'm not. Alright, so far. Okay, everybody? You can go here, it's 2023, or you can go to 2022. It's the same course. Of course, every year we're trying to be better and better and better. Alright, everybody. Julius, I'm new here. No, you're not. Julius, Clara clarified to me that you were not talking to anybody on Skype, not anybody of our traders. Is this true? Julius, I throw you out for nothing. I need to apologize to you, Julius. Right? Right, Clara? I need to apologize to Julius. Everybody. Julius, Clara and Julius, the two we are together. I have a 20 seconds delay on the chat. So Clara shorted, right? We have the... I'm not sure if we're still in the trade. This is GBP USD long. Shola, you are in the trade, right? Already? Clara says yes. I need to apologize. Julius, I apologize publicly. Julius, I apologize publicly, alright? I'm sorry, I'm going to put you back in the group. He is not the one making... I was seeing bad words, you know, I've been seeing bad words and people fighting, and I said, I'm not going to allow this in here. Sorry for the noise, yes. No problem, boss, I shouldn't. Yeah, we need to behave, alright? We might not agree with everybody, you know, like the Russians. We might not agree with everybody, you know, or the Brazilian, you know, or the R, or the Germans, you know. We might not agree. I'm the trader, right? So we might not agree, everybody, with everything that we share and talk about, you know, and how we trade, but we must always be respectful, Julius, right? We must be respectful. And again, don't waste time with haters, don't waste time with, you know, fighting, you know, I'm right, you're wrong. I gave a psychological class today already, you know, psychological, it's called Mindset Coaching for Traders. Julius and everybody else, Mindset Coaching for Traders. Making money in the financial markets, not just Forex market, has nothing to do with me being right or wrong. Shola, alright? Making money in the financial market has nothing to do with me being right or wrong. Why not, boss? Because it's a game of probabilities. It's not a game, it's a lack of a better word, it's a probability profession. I cannot say, so we are talking about, is any beginner traders here? Any beginner traders? We are advanced, right? I'm talking to advanced traders, and you know, we tend to get into a fight, you know, oh, I'm right and you are wrong and my methodology is better and it's not good and whatever, you know. In reality, what makes the money is, you know it, Julius, Shola, and Clara, what's the word? What makes the money in the financial markets? There is a specific word. No, the trader is not. If you're a beginner trader, it looks like, you know, I'm the trader and I'm making money. The advanced traders like Julius, Clara, and Shola, what makes the money? So you don't need to get into a fight, you know, oh, I'm right and you're wrong and this methodology is better than that methodology, and you know. Stop loss, yes, but when it comes to the advanced trading, when it comes to the institutional trader, there is a word. They are not giving you millions of dollars because you have the stop loss in the right place. You need to show them what? You need to show them that your strategy has what? What's the word? Edge. Congratulations. Alright, Julius? If we understand that the edge, it's what makes the money, a proven edge. What is an edge? A statistically proven fact that your strategy, through time, makes more money than it loses. Sorry for coming late, I am busy in India's moon mission of South people, finally successful. Singh, how are you? Edge, exactly. Alright, Julius, I'm talking to everybody, don't fight, you know. There is no right, number one, there is no right or wrong, or any methodology, any strategy, there is no right or wrong. Whatever serves you, whatever makes you money, there is no right or wrong. Okay? And if we understand that the edge is what makes the money, I don't need to get into a fight, and oh, you know, and this is better, and... Make sense, everybody? When it comes to the competition fight, is the competition between products, you know. So this methodology is better than methodology. Maybe somebody is trying to sell you something. This product is better than this mug, it's better than this glass. Maybe somebody is trying to sell you the mug. Alright? Which is still okay, you know, we all have children, we need to pay the bills. Alright? Alright everybody, tomorrow we are going to talk about the new knowledge. Forex Trading Week Part 5. Julius, what trades are you are in? Yeah, I'm sorry for the noise. Alright everybody, long, short, sideways. Tell me Julius, Shola, Singh, Clara, what currency pair do you want to check? Clara won yesterday. And Shola, it's still in the trade. Julius, what currency pairs are you looking? What trades? Are you in any trade? Anybody in any trades? Eurocat sell, great. What time frame? What time frame? What pattern? Eurocad. Julius, hedge fund trader Julius, what time frame? What pattern? Where is the stop loss? Where is the take profit? Sing, before, if you are new everybody, so one more time, this is the Dukascopy webinar channel. You have the course, professional trader course here. 2022 is the same course, 2021, this is all me pushing your ears, being boring. Alright? And charts is in here. Everybody, risk disclaimer, this is not trading or investment advice. Alright? Never forget, 90% of people lose. The trading is just a matter of time, and we are here to learn, so it's educational purposes, especially in what it's called the Forex Trading Week, where we are trying to implement what we have learned so far into the live markets. So Julius, you are an advanced trader, Eurocad, and you want to short the daily crown. Everybody, where should we start? And we have 45 minutes, let's be quick, type in the chat, where should we start? Should we start before I enter the market on the daily advanced trader talk? If this is your first time, please go to Dukascopy YouTube webinar page and start to watch lesson number 1, what is market structure. In the meantime, Forex Trading Week Part 5, where just we finished the Fibonacci's. Subscribe to Dukascopy webinars if you don't want to miss. Alright? And send an email to Dukascopy webinars, send an email at Dukascopy webinars, you know, send them email. Thank you very much that you are teaching us, or that you are allowing somebody to teach us, because it's for free. Alright? Tell them that we need to thank them, right? This knowledge is for free, everybody. So tell them, you know, thank you very much that you have the, so I changed my nickname, right? FX Boss. Last year it was FXFreedom. So tell them thank you, because FXFreedom or FX Boss or Mike or Michael, you know, is teaching us, whatever name you are using. Daily crown, check monthly and weekly, stop loss, take profit. Are you already in a trade, Julius? Alright, advanced trader talk. Advanced trader talk. Where is the advanced trader talk? Julius, I've told you yesterday, don't lie to me. I'm not saying that you are a liar, but I'm going to ask you a question, right? So, advanced trader talk. Before you enter into a trade, assess probabilities, and then act accordingly. What is accordingly? Number 1, execute your strategy, your strategy. Okay. Number 2, adjust the risk according to your risk management, Brazilian guy talking English, risk management rules. Alright, advanced trade talk. Before you enter into a trade, assess probabilities, and hopefully my English is correct, and then act accordingly. Number 1, execute your strategy. Adjust the risk according to your risk management rules. Now, Julius, Julius, you are trading for real. Clara, you are trading for real. Do the two of you are trading real money, real accounts. Are the two of you assessing probabilities? Type in the chat, yes or no. And we know each other, don't lie to me. Look in here. Are you assessing the probabilities? This is the psychology bet, or the truth bet. Just joking, you know. This is just for us to having fun. I have a 20 seconds delay on the chat. Julius says, yes, I am assessing probabilities. Very good. So Julius, did you go, before shorting the crown, did you go to the monthly and the weekly? I'm not sure if yes, it's the yes of I'm already in a trade, or yes, I am assessing. Clara, thanks for being honest. Yes, sometimes. Professional traders, it's always. This is non-negotiable. Non-negotiable. Everybody, we are all the same. Believe me, I've been there. MHB, long time no see. Everybody, I'm great, thank you very much. Everybody, I've been there, right? We are talking to ourselves and, you know, oh, today I'm too tired, or it's just a small account, or we are telling us, you know, even if it's a loser, so what? I feel you, I've been there, I know how it is. Professional traders assess probabilities every single time. Institutional traders they don't assess probabilities, everybody. Professional traders, they don't assess, where are we here? Portfolio, back in time. Professional traders that don't assess probabilities every day, every single time that they are going to enter into the market, their account is going to start to draw down. You know, it's nothing personal from the institution. I'm sorry for the noise. There is a construction site going on. I guess I need to pay them to stop, right? So an institutional trader who is not assessing probabilities, you know, then the account is going to go down, and ultimately, you know, nothing wrong with the guy or the girl, we're all the same, but I'm not assessing probabilities, so maybe I'm trading low probability setups, so my account automatically, this is common sense, I believe, is going to go down, and if I keep not assessing probabilities, then ultimately I'm going to start to lose constantly, and in the end the institution, they are going to do what with me? Give me a Ferrari because I'm losing. Those are the keys, you know. Here is the Ferrari because you are losing money and you are not assessing probabilities, or they are going to do what? I always try to assess before I take an entry on any pattern that I want to trade based on strategy. So this crown, Julius, it's high probability or small probability? I have a 20 seconds delay on the chat. if I'm an institutional trader and I'm not assessing probabilities, I'm just trading for the sake of trading, and I don't understand risk, I'm going to trade the same risk with a low probability setup compared to a high probability setup, and I'm going to start to lose. What is the institution going to tell me? Not tomorrow, because nobody's perfect, but in a 2-week time or a month. Are they going to give me champagne, or they are going to give me somebody typed on the other streaming, they're going to give you the box, you know? What is the box for? What is the box for? You are going to get, what is, it starts with the F. You are going to get what F? Fire. What's the word? Julius, if you have a EuroCAD monthly chart, everybody, EuroCAD monthly chart, advanced, so this is advanced session for advanced traders. Fibonacci from the monthly chart. Monthly bands are up. Monthly bands are up. Monthly bands are up. Trade what you see. Monthly bands are up. I have an up Fibonacci, Julius, telling me to go up, and I'm not sure what is about extension retracement. So we have a down market wave too. It retraced that dip, right? And I have a down Fibonacci, I have an up Fibonacci. So far the market is above the trend line. Julius, do you agree that this market is moving up so far? High probability. Let's see. I'm going to give you my opinion, alright? There is no right or wrong, my opinion. So points for the bulls. The market's going to go up. Up Fibonacci, up monthly bands, you know. So it's still forming higher low, higher low. Point for the bears, Julius, down Fibonacci original one. Point for the bulls, the market is above the downtrend line. Alright, I'm not sure if you're using any indicators. Point for the bears, short time. After an extension, a retracement must come. Now in between here from the monthly chart, Julius, bulls and bears are fighting for control. So my assessment of probabilities would be short term short, because a retracement must come, but long term long, because we are above the uptrend line, the market broke the downtrend line, up Fibonacci, and moving according to the monthly band, alright? Now let's go on the weekly chart. So we have the down Fibonacci, ABCDs, indicators out. We have the contrarian going up. Alright, so it's making higher highs, higher lows. The market broke the short-term uptrend line in here. Point for the bears. The market is still above the long-term uptrend line, Julius. Long-term still up, right? So candles, we've learned candles, candlestick formations. What is the short-term trend doing, Julius? It's high to low, low to high, high to low, low to high, high, high to low, low to high. So Julius, do we agree that this is a strong level of support? Type in the chat, Julius. I have a heart, so boss, I don't have a real complete clear on trading view. Everybody, do we agree that this is a strong level of support? The market, from the weekly chart, the market went down and tried to get up and went down and retested, you know, and went back up and down and retested. Do we agree that so far this level is strong. Tomorrow might be another story. But if I'm going to enter the market like Julius, do we agree that this is a strong level of support? Everybody, alright, we have 30 minutes. I need to talk to the guys out there, alright? If I don't come back, pray for me. I'll be back. Alright, I got lucky, you know, 5 to 1. You don't want to get into a fight with 5 people. You know, this is probabilities too. You know, I am black belt, alright, you're black belt, but against 5 workers, how is the probability? Alright everybody, type in the chat, hedge fund trader Clara, hedge fund trader Shola, hedge fund trader Singh, hopefully pronouncing your name correctly, hedge fund trader MHB. Do we agree that this is the strong level of support from EuroCAD weekly chart? Type in the chat, yes I agree, or type in the chat, no I don't agree. There is no right or wrong. What do you think? I'm still in class. Sorry. Will be free in... What's the time everybody? 30 minutes, right? 30 minutes. 30 minutes. Yes, I agree. Boss, the chart on the monthly, LOL, just to see the heart. Boss, the chart on the monthly is not complete. Don't bother, Julius. All right. Oh, are you talking the monthly bands? So we can go here and open trading view. Give me a second everybody, I'm talking to a partner. Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. So EuroCAD, right? Julius, EuroCAD. Julius, EuroCAD. Trading view, this would be the lower band and this would be the upper band. Come on, trading view. Well, this would be, you know, this would be the upper band somewhere because, give me a second everybody. Julius, do you have the same? Do you have the same? Or you have something different? Everybody, if you put the lower band like in this and you put the upper band like in this, then you are going to see a different story, agreed? Julius, this is not the correct upper band. Forex course 101 concept, you know, the two countries are trying to maintain the international trade stable. So the most recent upper band is where the market is respecting the level, the area. So I can see that the market was here, went up back to here, you know, then went down, bent back up to here. So this is a monthly band that it's been respected from the two governments, importing and exporting. And then the market went down to here, respected this line, and then in between the bulls and the bears are fighting for control, you know, but still the market, it could come down here for sure. I don't have the crystal ball, Julius, right? But it looks like the market respected. So because this is the last hit of the lower band, long term, the view, the long term bias, it's all right. It's supposed to hit the upper band up in here 7 times out of 10. No guarantees. Alright, Julius, this would be the analysis on the monthly bands. Boss, what if you're wrong? Maybe I am, you know. But me personally, looking at this EuroCAD, I am long term, I am long. You know, it's my belief, maybe I'm wrong, but it's my belief that the market is going to come up to here. Alright, Julius, and Clara, NMHB, and Singh, hopefully I pronounce your name correctly. There are no mistakes. There are no mistakes. There are no mistakes. Alright? Everybody, this is not a fight, or we are not trying to pump our ego in here, you know. Oh, look at me, I'm the good analyst and I'm a good trader. You know, no mistakes. You have people, alright, having and understanding the Forex market in a different way. Alright? I know somebody who is telling me that no, that I'm wrong. See, that we're in a fight already. That I'm wrong and he is going to trade those monthly bands. Fair enough, Julius? So I cannot say, oh, my mistake. There are no mistakes. Again, I don't agree with what this... It's my friend. I don't agree what my friend trader is doing, but I'm going to respect him. And I'm going to say, alright, you know, alright, so I'm going to do my thing and you do your thing, and if for Christmas both of us have the Ferrari, then it's good, right? It's all good. But when both of us for Christmas we are broke, then we are going to meet and we are going to cry together. You know, I guess we need to work together. Fair enough, everybody? There are no mistakes. Talking about what you do, how... I mean, there are rules to follow. What would be a mistake? I'm risking more than I'm making. Alright, this would be a mistake. But how it's your general visual, you know, what do you believe is going to happen in a decade? Then talking about mistakes, Julius, I would say there are no mistakes. If you ask me. Alright, now let's try to figure out how is your crown, low probability or high probability. So, and even if you have a different view, Julius, do we still agree that this is a strong level of support? It's a pivot point really, but the market's going up and down. Now short term, from the weekly perspective, Julius, short term, I have a good news and the bad news. What is the bad news? Short term, we have the bullish candle and the bullish tweezer bottoms that you've learned in the Forex course 101. You've learned this in the Forex course 101. This is the bad news if you are shorting the market. What is the good news? The market here is sideways. You know, undecision candles. Trying to go up and goes down. Trying to go down and goes up. Trying to go up or down. Now it stays in between, right? So What do you think, Julius? Is this a high probability trade or low probability trade? Now, what crown are you shorting? So this is the short-term downtrend on the daily. I have Fibonacci is going up, Julius. On the daily chart, I have. Can you see the market, Julius? Maybe, just maybe, we are locked in consolidation, and if we are in consolidation, you are going to lose because the market must go up in here 7 times out of 10. All right, high. All right, and Julius, help me out. What crown do you see? What crown do you see? All right, Julius, do you see this crown? Low to high, high to low, low to high, high to low. Was this the crown? Was this the crown, Julius? Give me a second, give me a second. Was this the crown, Julius? Type in chat, yes, this was the crown. In the meantime, hedge fund trader MHB, hedge fund trader Shola, hedge fund trader Clara, hedge fund trader Singh, how are you going to make pips and money out of EuroCAD? Today we're talking about EuroCAD. Julius, do you want me to be nice to you, or do you want me to tell you the truth? And before I open my mouth, let me just, if not, I need to apologize again to you, which is not a problem. So this is EuroCAD daily chart, right? EuroCAD daily chart. Are you charting on TradingView or are you charting on JForex? Where are you charting? Let me put in here LOL again. There is a crown, and there is another crown on the weekly too. Tell me the truth. All right, this is not a crown, Julius. Based on the chart on JForex, this is not a low. All right. I'm going to transparency. I'm going to zoom in. This here, it's not a low. This is not a center candle with 2 candles on the left and 2 candles on the right with higher low values. Clara, I'm looking to buy EuroCAD. Great. What time frame, Clara? What pattern? MHB waiting for candles buying. All right. What time frame, MHB? Fibonacci is long. Thank you very much. Charting on TradingView. What data provider are you using? I'm using FXCM, and I don't have a low in here, Julius. I don't have a low in here. What data provider are you using? Don't worry, you know, if somebody is asking, oh, but if different data providers are showing different things, how do I know what is real, what is not, what is true? You must learn, everybody, that one trade means nothing, alright? It's irrelevant what chart you see on what data provider. They are slightly different, because if you are going to be a professional trader making money from the market, you are going not to win just one because, oh, there is a high or a low. It's something that you are going to do constantly, 7 times out of 10. FXCM. So do we agree, Julius, that this is not a crown? So I don't have even a high in here. Weak magnet. Low to, so this is not a high even. low to, this is not a high, not a high, so this is the high, to low, to high. And so I'm not seeing a crown. Left tip or right, then this would be the center tip. There are no crowns, Julius. Agreed? Maybe I'm wrong, but if I look at the chart, and you help me out, everybody, I don't see any crowns. Yes, it's not a crown. It's in consolidation. We go long and for retest the lower band. Very good. So if you are in a trade, Julius, what you should do? What's the skill? Nobody's perfect. I'm the number one who is not perfect. When a professional trader or an intermediate trader or an advanced trader do a mistake, what is the skill? It's not easy. What's the skill, Julius? What you should do? Should you pray to God, oh please God, let EuroCAD fall, please God, just one last time, you know, I promise, God, I promise I'm not going to do these mistakes anymore, God, I promise, oh God, please help me. Done this too, Julius, done this too. It doesn't work. Close the trade, close the trade. Don't think and close the trade. Very good, Julius, I'm proud of you. I'm proud of you, Julius. Don't think. Not easy, right? Not easy when real money is on the line, not easy. You know, whatever the number, you know, you are trading a, what with example, you're trading $1,000 account and your loss, you made a mistake and you are $50 in a loss, or for God's sakes, $100 in a loss, risking too much, whatever, you know, and the skill says, you know, just don't think, you know, don't pray to God, you know, anybody pray to God, whatever God, you know, different religions? Anybody pray to God, Buddha, Shiva, whatever is there, Allah? And you are asking, please help me, whatever the name of the entity, you know, please help me just this time. And he's telling you, help yourself. Help yourself, I'm going to help you. Doesn't work. It's a skill. Close the trade, don't think. Close the trade, don't think. Alright, everybody, so there are no crowns. We have 5 more minutes. MHB waiting for the candlestick formation. What time frame? Looking to buy EuroCAD, Clara. What time frame? Shola, what about you? Shola, what about you? What time frame? EuroCAD 4-hour chart, 4-hour chart. So we had an up Fibonacci and down Fibonacci, and as you can see, everybody, Fibonacci doesn't work on 4-hour chart. Market broke the Fibonacci. Advanced traders, what you are seeing on the 4-hour chart, and the Fibonacci was wiped out. This is those are those candles on the weekly chart. You know, consolidation. Fibonacci rule number 2. Fibonacci don't work. Fibonacci does not work in consolidation. Undecision candle from the weekly, undecision candle from the weekly, undecision candle from the weekly. You know? Alright? Clara, 4-hour chart, you want to buy. What is the setup? Nothing tells us that market will fall. Shola, thank you very much. MHB daily chart. Clara, what pattern are you trying to buy? This is the 4-hour chart. Maybe, just maybe this, Consolidation, just maybe. I'm not sure what you're seeing, Clara. And MHB, the daily. Alright. MHB, what are you, what pattern? Is it going to be 1 for 1? Or are you consolidation in here? Just maybe, right? Consolidation, alright. Alright everybody, we are going to finish our Forex trading week part 5, where we are trying to implement what we have learned so far into the live markets. And one last time, if you are new to the show, to Dukascope Investment Bank, here is the Dukascope Webinars YouTube page. Subscribe. Alright, click on playlist, and here you have Forex Trading Week, Forex Professional Trader Course 101, it's for beginners. Alright, and here you have 2022, 2021, and then you have the prehistoric whatever. Alright everybody, see you back tomorrow. Until tomorrow, stay strong and trade like a boss. Trade like a responsible business owner. This is Michael